In today's video, we are going to compare the Dizo Gopods D and Noise Airbuds Nano. So, let's get started. Price of Noise Airbuds Nano is $12.99 and price of Dizo Gopods D is ₹1,049. Let's talk about box content. In Noise, we get a Type-C cable to a Type-A cable and documentation and register your warranty card. In Dizo, you'll get a Type-A to micro USB cable. Let's talk about design. Noise has a glossy white design and Noise branding. This is how the earbuds look like. We get a battery indicator and a Type-C port with reset button. We get 14.2 mm drivers and touch control. In Dizo, we get a light micro USB. It has a glossy black design and it has 10 mm drivers. Let's talk about battery performance. Dizo has a battery life of 20 hours and Noise has a battery life of 18 hours. Sound quality. Comfort. Dizo is more comfortable than Noise because it has soft buds and fits in your ears good. Noise has hard and no buds. Build quality. Here you can hear the build quality. Advantages of buying Dizo and advantages of buying Noise. So the final result. Total points for Noise is 13 and Dizo is 12. So Noise is the winner. Thank you so much for watching.